Hey y'all, Jeff here with Jeff Garage Unfiltered, and welcome back to another video. And I'm here in my what used to be my boat shed with the 560 SEL. And if y'all remember, I've got a severe challenge with this car. I can't, the ignition key, I can't turn it. And so I ordered up a new key from Mercedes-Benz, which failed to work as well in turning the ignition. So I contacted a, um, a repair shop, not Mercedes-Benz, but a repair shop in the Omaha metro area. They're called Star Class Motors. And talking to Mark, and this is a shout out to Mark, and I'll promote this company because while they haven't done any work for me, I hear such good things about them. And I was telling him my dilemma, and he said, yeah, this could be an expensive deal because then if you can't get the key to turn and you can't get the lock cylinder out, it's going to be several $1,000s in order to fix that because you got to drill it out. And I said, oh my God, I don't want to deal with that. And in our conversation, got to come to find out, he knew this car, and he knew the previous owner of this car and who I bought this from. So, and I'd met him before. We went to the Euro car show at Lawrence and Gardens in Omaha. It happens every August or September. And so he recommended something that I'm going to try. He said, lift the front of the car so that it releases the front wheels. So because it's stressed right now. And in fact, that's the whole issue is the steering wheel, it's locked. And so if you lift, he says, if you lift the car, lift the front of the car, it kind of takes the pressure off of that. And I thought, now we're talking. And so what I'm going to do, and I'm just going to let the camera roll, and I'll probably edit it up and speed it up during the time when I'm going to get my power jack. I've got an electric one. I've got a battery sitting over there so that I can jump the car with once I get it started, because then I want to get the car out and change the battery. I've already bought a new battery, and it needs a new battery because this one is showing bad. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift the front of the car while it's sitting in here. I was hoping that that Mr. Jose Yui was going to be here today, but he's actually working on that PT Cruiser, which needs to get done so I can get my pickup back. So without further ado, I'm going to leave the keys right here, and then I will be going around on the front of the car and lifting it up. So keep watching. Okay, well, we have the left side up. Nothing. Well, I think what I'm going to do is put a jack stand under this side and then lift the other side up so it's safe. This is not good. Okay, folks. I've got both sides of the car up. This side's on jack stand, and the other side is just kind of on the jack itself. At least now it's somewhat safe. I can get in and sit down and try it. Other attempts have already failed, so this is kind of my last shot at this point. Then it hits to the point where I don't know what I'm going to do. And the car's actually moved. It's actually moved. Oh well. Do I have... I thought I had wheel chocks, but apparently I don't. Sure, a good old 2x4 is going to work. Right. Huh. I thought I had wheel chocks out here. All right, well, here goes something or nothing, one of the two. Okay, the original keys are in there. Of course, now I have very little dome light, so once I get it released, I'm not gonna be able to crank it. It just doesn't feel like it's moving any of the tumblers. And one of the things that Star Class Auto had said, where Ken on Mercedes Source said not to, but Star Class said squirt some WD-40 in there. Well, I haven't done that piece of it yet, but it's like the tumblers have not come back into play. So I'm going to try the WD. I should have some. Yeah, the key is just not, it's not grabbing it. Okay, well, I'm going to go get some WD, and then I'll try and bring the camera in a little bit closer. Hopefully I have some WD. Well, folks, I've got WD, but it doesn't have the little straw on there to go inside. So what I'm going to have to do is I've got to go get, I'll need to run up to the local store and get some. So I'm going to stop the video, and then I'll bring it back when I go to try the WD. So keep these keys there. Oh, how to shut the door. To save what little of the battery I've got. What a mess. It might have been easier to do this out here, but oh well. All right, more to come. And we're back. And yes, I went and got some good old WD-40 with the little spray gizmo nozzle thingy there. So now we're going to take this and I'm going to put this in. I'm going to take the camera and hopefully try and position it so where y'all can see. I don't know if this is going to work, but got the car lifted up in the front. I'm going to take and squirt some WD inside the key cylinder. And well, let's see what happens. So bear with me while I move the camera. All right. Well, sorry for all the poor camera work. I have very limited space here where I'm at. I'm underneath the lift. I'm, you know, just very, very limited space. Now, what do I do with the key? Okay, here's the key. All right, so we're gonna get in here and try this. Let me see if I can see. I've got the camera on a tripod right here as I'm trying to get in the car. All right, you know, we're gonna try this. And remember, I'm up on a jack and a jack stand. So I don't know if you can see the key cylinder, but I'm gonna. This was the other thing that Star Class Motors said to try, but Ken at Mercedes Source said not to. So I've tried to, you know, vibration and, you know, nothing. Let's do the key itself. Oh, don't want that to happen. Got WD on my. All right, let's see if we can get this to release. Well, folks, I'm even trying to pull the key. One other trick that they've talked about is getting a pair of pliers, but I don't want to break the key off in there. Oh, you know, I kind of wish old Huey was here, because then we would take the car and put it outside, but then, you know, we could take the lower dash off, but that's gonna, you know, that's hours. But that would take the whole, I think you could take the whole assembly out that way. The whole thing, the steering wheel lock and the whole rod or whatever that goes behind there. I think you may have to pull the cluster and pull the bottom of the dash. But so those YouTube videos that were out there that gave all these tricks, I've tried them all, folks. I have tried them all. The only thing that I'm going to let it be, I'm going to leave it up in the air. Leave the car up in the air like it is, and let the WD-40 do its work. You know, maybe over time it'll release itself. I'm going to have to get some rags here to. Yeah, I've got that pretty well filled up there. I need to get some towels and clean that. But we'll let the WD do its work, and then we'll come back at it. I'm going to try it one more time with the new key. Nothing. Not a thing. So, still no go on this car, and as I've seen underneath it, I've got all kinds of other. Ow! Well, folks, you caught it on camera. There you go. You caught it. You caught me on camera bumping my head on the lift. You see how much trouble this is in here. It's just not very you know, it's just not a very easy area to work on. But there you have it. I don't know if you can see me now. Let me raise the camera up a little bit more. And there you have it. Failed again. I don't know what else to do. It'd be nice if I could get this car out, but I can back it out, then the doors have to stay open. I could probably back it all because the wheels are straight, so whatever I back out, I can get the car out. I don't know. I'm disappointed. I'm disturbed. I'm very frustrated. But I'm going to leave this up in the air on the front and give it a try in another few hours, a week. But yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions, put them in the comments. Sorry for the long video. Sorry for the poor video, but that's kind of the way it is when I'm in an area where I don't have a lot of space. Have a great day. Be safe out there and don't bump your head like I do underneath a lift. Thanks for watching. And you see my backdrop? See what I got to deal with?